Good morning. We're flying to Raleigh Durham this morning. Only issue is we've got some weather there right now. They're calling 300-foot ceilings, 6 miles visibility. It's supposed to go up to 500 feet, but we'll be doing the ILS, that's for sure. Gear is down. Just check the weather again. They've changed the terminal forecast. Ceiling now is going up to 700, so that's an improvement. Things are looking better.
V1, rotate. Positive right.
You're up.
You're up.
Flaps up, yaw damper.
Flaps up. And a right to 150.
Alrighty. Clear right.
Clear right.
Okay, here we go.
Flaps up.
Station 2 Quebec, contact St. Louis departure, great day.
Good day, 2 Quebec. St. Louis Citation November 2 Quebec, 1.8 for 3,000.
November 2 Quebec, St. Louis, radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000.
Up to 5,000, 2 Quebec.
5,000.
And Billiken 29, verify you're on course to Mount Vernon. November 4 Juliet Hotel, 5 miles from Snoop, cleared ILS, runway 8 right.
Okay, clear for the ILS 8 right, Juliet Hotel.
Before Juliet Hotel, that traffic you saw earlier appears to be in front of you now, and the final lined up for 8 right also.
Okay, for Juliet Hotel, we'll keep an eye on it.
Autopilot's engaged.
After takeoff complete. There it is.
Okay. Now.
Florida departure, Southwest 1911, 2700 for 5.
Slow on to 160.
Okay.
American 1689, turn left at Charlie, kind of ground point and enter.
Left on Charlie point 9, we'll see you.
Raleigh Tower, Citation November 2 Quebec is with you, approaching Permy.
November 2 Quebec, Raleigh Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 5 right, 2 Quebec.
Clear to land 5 right. Gear down before landing check.
Gear down. And look like your temperature's dropping.
Oh, it sure did. Back on.
Landing
Flaps to
gears
land.
3 green, flaps land. Flaps are land, speed brake is retracted. Autopilot, and you ought to go.
To go, and I'm slowing. Looking for 620.
Number 458 Golf, continue down the runway, turn left at taxiway Charlie, contact ground point 9 when exiting.
Mark Charlie on the ground after exiting, 458 Golf.
Raleigh Tower, good afternoon. Citation 215 Charlie, Juliet outside of Permy, 170 knots to Permy on the ILS to 5 right.
Number 215 Charlie Juliet, Raleigh Tower, runway 5 right, clear to land. Number 2, wind 050 at 6.
25 right, 5 Charlie Juliet.
Ground, little ground contact. You're 500 above minimums.
500.
Runway inside, 12 o'clock.
Insight.
Minimums.
Landing. Autopilot disengaged. Oh, we got a little gust there right at the end, didn't we?
Yeah. Pretty good wind coming down, but it's right down the runway now. Wet runway, this ought to be good.
Speed brakes.
And it was.
Good over here.
Clear.
Hold on to your hat. right, thank you so much. We didn't stay in Raleigh long, but we were there long enough to see a old restored grist mill, the Yates Mill in Raleigh. It's kind of interesting. What's going on? A lot. I've been flying a lot. We've got 3 partners that are all flying right now. Boy, I've just been so busy I haven't been able to get a video up. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some live stuff. Yeah. Try some live stuff, mix it with the videos, so that way when I'm really busy, I can take 15 minutes and put up a little something. Do that. Thinking weather should be good today. Shouldn't be a problem. Gonna get a little exercise here in a bit, have some breakfast. Got to call the FBO, let them know what time we're leaving, give them a fuel order, what time to have the airplane online. Hey, if you guys aren't Instagram followers, you can be. I'm on Instagram. Which one is my coffee? And I'm thinking this one. Yeah, this one's warm. That's good. It's time for breakfast. I'm gonna head down to breakfast, get something to eat. Fan just came on, so it's getting noisy in here. Still a little cool outside. Gonna call the FBO. I'm actually kind of excited about getting my exercise this morning. Looking forward to it. You know, I just couldn't do the exercise room. Even though it's chilly, a little breezy, I thought I'll get outside, get some exercise outside. Much nicer. Gives you a better attitude. Nice houses here. Makes for a pleasant walk. Almost off my exercise. I've got 40 minutes to get back to the hotel, get showered, check out, get out. Time to shower and pack up. I'm ready to head back home. Last night was night 6 on the road. All right, down to the airport by way of lunch.
Holding on the hots.
80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive brake.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Flaps up, yaw damper.
Flaps up. Yaws on.
Citation to Quebec, contact departure, good day.
Good day to Quebec.
Okay, coming left.
Raleigh departure citation November 2 Quebec out of 1.7 for 7,000.
2 Quebec, Raleigh departure radar contact, climb maintain 12,000.
Up to 12,000 to Quebec.
Camera 1, that traffic's right there at 2,000 feet.
Hey, Roger, searching.
Number 93 Foxtrot Mike, that traffic's right there at 2,000 feet with you also doing pitches. Number 4 Romeo Victor, contact favorable approach 125.17.
125.17 for H4 Romeo Victor.
Number 2 Quebec, turn left heading 320.
Left 320 to Quebec.
Left to 320.
After takeoff, complete ignition when you're in climb.
I'm going to leave it on a little bit longer.
Number 9 Pop Alpha, traffic off your left hand side at 3,000 feet.
Looking for traffic.
9 Pop Alpha, turn rating 240, contact approach 125.3.
2401.
Number 2 Quebec, turn left direct guitar, resume the Shepherd 2 departure.
Left turn direct guitar and Shepherd 2 departure to Quebec.
Left turn direct guitar for the Shepherd 2.
Hey, Raleigh, camera 1 has traffic in sight.
Camera 1, he's also doing the same thing, going to be there all day.
There it is.
Number 93 Foxtrot Mike, traffic casual in sight. He's going to be in the same altitude, same position all day. Number 2 Quebec, contact Washington Center 135.2.
35-2 to Quebec.
Command 2996, Quebec.
Today. Number 426 Juliet, November, Center maintain flight level 380.
Flight level 380, 426 Juliet, November.
Washington Citation November 2 Quebec 10.5 for 1-2000.
November 2 Quebec, Washington Center, climb and maintain flight level 230.
Flight level 230 to Quebec.
I think he was trolling those guys.
Traffic is a citation on a 4-mile base.
8 right, clear for takeoff. Runway heading, you'll call my turn, 99 kilo.
Citation 2 Quebec, runway 8 right, cleared to land. Traffic to Bonanza, departing Friday arrival.
8 right, clear to land. Spirit Tower, Conquest 441, Foxtrot here, holding short 8 left, ready for takeoff, and we're going to stay on the pattern.
Master 7 Tango X-ray, right turn out to the southwest, approved.
Right turn southwest, I'm taking
Ahead of you, off turn out to the west, yeah, that traffic still in sight.
Yeah, 99 kilos.
Okay, I'm looking for the guy.
99 Kilo, roger, maintain visual separation with traffic, and your right turn out to the southwest, approved as well.
Right turn southwest approved, maintain VFR with that 199 kilo.
Oh, I sure don't see him.
Okay, it's all taken care of. Time to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.